Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take an idioms quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. What does walking on air mean? The correct option is D. Feeling very happy. Walking on air means being extremely happy. For example, she was walking on air after hearing the good news. Question 2. What does your heart's in the right place mean? The correct option is D. You have good intentions. It means someone is kind and means well even if they make mistakes. For example, he may be clumsy but his heart's in the right place. Question 3. What does zip your lip mean? The correct option is B. Be quiet. Zip your lip means to stop talking or remain silent. For example, the teacher told the students to zip their lips. Question 4. What does not the sharpest tool in the shed mean? The correct option is C. Not intelligent. Not the sharpest tool in the shed means a humorous way to say someone is not very clever. For example, he's not the sharpest tool in the shed, but he's kind. Question 5. What does hit the ceiling mean? The correct option is A. Get very angry. Hit the ceiling means to suddenly become very angry. For example, his boss hit the ceiling when the report was late. Question 6. What does go the whole 9 yards mean? The correct option is D. Do something completely. It means to put in full effort and go all the way. For example, she went the whole 9 yards to make the party perfect. Question 7. What does steal someone's thunder mean? The correct option is B. To take credit for someone's work. It means to take attention away from someone by using their ideas. For example, he stole her thunder by announcing the news first. Question 8. What does leave someone in the lurch mean? The correct option is A. Leave someone in need. It means to desert someone when they need you the most. For example, he left his friend in the lurch during the project. Question 9. What does don't cry wolf mean? Correct option is C. Don't lie. It means don't ask for help when it's not needed, or people won't believe you later. For example, he cried wolf too often, so nobody helped him when it was real. Question 10. What does burn the candle at both ends mean? The correct option is A. Work too hard. It means to overwork yourself by doing too many things. For example, she burned the candle at both ends while studying and working. Question 11. What does throw someone under the bus mean? The correct option is B. Blame someone unfairly. It means to sacrifice or betray someone for your own benefit. For example, he threw his friend under the bus to save himself. Question 12. What does shoot yourself in the foot mean? The correct option is D. Damage yourself by your own mistake. It means to make things worse for yourself by a wrong action. For example, he shot himself in the foot by insulting his boss. Question 13. What does take it with a pinch of salt mean? The correct option is C. Not fully believe it. It means to be cautious about accepting something as true. For example, take his story with a pinch of salt. Question 14. What does bite your tongue mean? The correct option is B. Stop talking. It means to avoid speaking when you want to say something. For example, I had to bite my tongue instead of arguing. Question 15. What does go overboard mean? The correct option is D. Be too extreme. It means to do too much or go too far with something. For example, they went overboard decorating for the party. Question 16. What does stick to your guns mean? The correct option is C. Keep believing. It means to keep your decision even if others disagree. For example, she stuck to her guns about her career choice. Question 17. What does add insult to injury mean? The correct option is B. Make a bad situation worse. It means to make someone feel worse after something bad had already happened. For example, Losing the match and then being mocked added insult to injury. Question 18. What does let the chips fall where they may mean? The correct option is D. Accept it. It means to accept the outcome, whatever it may be. For example, she told the truth and let the chips fall where they may. Question 19. What does beating a dead horse mean? The correct option is C. Argue for no reason. It means to waste time on something already settled. For example, talking about it again is just beating a dead horse. Question 20. What does break the bank mean? The correct option is A. Cost too much. It means to be very expensive. For example, buying that car would break the bank. Question 21. What does have a lot on your plate mean? The correct option is C. Have many responsibilities. It means to be very busy with many tasks. For example, she has a lot on her plate with work and studies. Question 22. What does bury the hatchet mean? The correct option is D. Forgive and make peace. It means to end a fight and become friends again. For example, they decided to bury the hatchet after years of rivalry. Question 23. What does on cloud nine mean? The correct option is A. Extremely happy. It means being very happy. For example, she was on cloud nine after winning the prize. Question 24. What does know the ropes mean? The correct option is B. Figure it out. It means to be familiar with the details of a job or activity. For example, after a month, he knew the ropes at his new job. Question 25. What does throw in the towel mean? The correct option is B. Give up or quit. It means to surrender or admit defeat. For example, he threw in the towel after trying many times. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.